What's up, guys? Sorry I missed that upload yesterday, but today, I was going to do this yesterday, but I didn't get around to it. So today I'm going to go over my goals for 2018. So let's get right into it. So my financial goals, I want to establish a $20,000 a year income. And by establish, I mean if I don't make $20,000 in 2018, that's alright, as long as I'm for sure projected to make $20,000 the next year after. And so to do this, I'm going to have to reach 3,000 in loans on BitConnect, which equates to 27.3 a day, 191 a week, 767 a month, and 9,205 a year. And then I also have to reach 3,000 in contracts on HASHFLARE, which is 14 terahashes. I'm currently only on 0.05 terahashes, but I'll work on fixing that very soon. And then the day, week, month, and year is the same as above, and that's assuming a 1% interest payout per day. So on BitConnect, you don't always get 1%. Sometimes you get higher, which will be good, but then sometimes you get lower. But with HASHFLARE, it's more consistent, and usually it is above 1%. So with this math that I did, the HASHFLARE will make up for the low days on BitConnect. And then I want to reach 10,000 views so I can get approved for Google AdSense, which is just ads on YouTube. And you have to have 10,000 views before the approval process can begin. And then I want to boost affiliate commission, but I don't have a certain goal for that because I don't want to shove affiliate links down you guys' throats, because that's not what I'm here to do. And then I want to sell entrepreneur merch once I hit 10K subscribers. And my growth goals, I want to reach 20K subscribers on YouTube, which I've been doing lots of research on how to do it. It's pretty hard to do organically, but once I get my initial 1,000 maybe, views should start coming in, or views and subscribers should start coming in faster and more organically. And then I want to reach 10K views on YouTube, like I said above. And if I hit that 20K, 10K views will be super easy. And then I'm going to start an entrepreneur Instagram, and I want to get that to 10,000 followers. And then I want to start a Twitter for entrepreneur, and that I want to get that to 3K followers, because I've realized with any Twitter accounts I've made before, it's a lot harder to get followers on Twitter than it is on Instagram. And then I also want to make a Facebook and a Facebook group for you guys. And then I added this little take action section. So I'm going to for sure take action on all the goals that I listed. And I want to get all those goals knocked out as soon as possible. So every couple of videos, if I hit one of these goals, I'm going to show it on the video. And I will just check it off just to show you guys that I finally made that goal. And then I want to save profit for bigger investments. And then I want to reinvest money on BitConnect and HASHFLARE using my 60-60 rule, which, like I said, I'll make a video on that. I'll try and get it up in the next couple of days. And then learning goals. I want to learn more about the different altcoins and get more into the altcoins. And I'll obviously document that along the way because I want to teach you guys about the altcoins. And then I want to learn more about swing trading cryptos, because right now I'm kind of just hodling and using BitConnect and HASHFLARE, but I also want to try and get some profit from trading. And then I also want to get into stocks because it's something I've always been interested in. I just haven't had the capital to start with, and I haven't had good knowledge to be able to make money with stocks. And with stocks, I want to do day trading and swing trading too. And then I want to learn about some real estate investments for down the road. Obviously, I'm not going to make any real estate investments when my goal is only a 20K income for the year. And then I want to learn more about Amazon FBA. I have a business partner and we're trying to work on getting an FBA store up. So this channel is about entrepreneurship and different ventures, so I will be making videos about that eventually. We just have to get it started up and everything. And then I want to look into Shopify. I don't know if I will try to make Shopify a good income, but maybe whenever I drop that merch around 10K subscribers, I'll use Shopify for that, because I've heard Shopify is a good site to use for merch. And then I need to learn more about crypto taxes so that with the profit that I'm making, I can account in taxes and make sure I don't get audited and all that stuff. And then that's about it, guys. Keep posted for tomorrow's video, and leave a like if you liked the video. I'll keep you guys updated on these goals, and subscribe if you want to stay updated on the goals, and subscribe if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and different business ventures that you can take also and make money. And really, if you mimic what I'm doing throughout my videos and make these same goals, you can reach 20,000 in a year too. And I know that's pretty small for some people, but I'm just starting out, and it's basically solely off of cryptocurrency and YouTube, so I'd say that's pretty good. And then leave a comment if you want to request any videos, or if you like the video. Soon I'll be doing crypto giveaways like every video, but I'm not making enough right now to be able to do that and still make money. So I'm going to get those loans up, and hopefully I can start with maybe $5 giveaways every video, and then just go up as I start earning more money. So just like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.